Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy 4 rows repeat pattern. You can use this pattern in your jean sweater, lady sweater, baby sweater. You can knit in any project you like. See, this is the pattern. This is the look of this pattern. It looks so beautiful and very clean. See, wrong side looks like this. This wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 5 plus 3 extra, 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 5 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 3 times 5, 15, and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 17. Row 1 right side edge stitch knit, and then knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. And now row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your first stitch, the repeat pattern starts from here, right? The repeat pattern starts from the starting. So knit 2, 1 to slip your first stitch, and then 2, knit 2 and knit 3 together through the back front loop. For these 3 stitch, knit 3 together through the front loop, and we're going to make 3 stitch here. 1, wrap the yarn around, that's going to create 1 stitch, 2, and knit one more time, 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 here. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 here. Again knit 2, 1, 2, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 here. 1, wrap the yarn around, 2 and 3. One more repeat, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 here. 1, 2, 3. See, we have done 3 repeats, 1, 2, 3, and your last 2 stitch, knit 2. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4 over and over again until you reach your desired length. and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.